Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best hair clog solutions that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Green Gobbler Drain Clog Dissolver. After just about 2 hours, the Green Gobbler Dissolver will eliminate blockages such as hair clogs. An easy and effective hair clog blaster. Simply pour the product down your sink. Wait at least 30 minutes, then flush water down the drain to see the results. The Green Gobbler is good for a number of different types of pipes, too, including PVC, copper, iron, and steel. There's also no guesswork when it comes to how much liquid you need to pour down the drain, either. Each bottle comes with a cap that acts as a measuring cup. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Drano Max Gel Drain Clog Remover. This option not only comes in cheaper than many other hair clog liquid solutions, but it also comes in a huge 80 ounces bottle, making it an even better value. All you need to do with this product is pour 1/5 of a bottle down your drain. After 15 to 30 minutes, you can run hot water down the drain and will start to see results. As an added bonus, if the product doesn't work, Drano guarantees the product will be free. Drano will also work on other pipe and drain blockages beyond just hair clogs. Breaking down to about $1.33 per pour, this solution is a steal compared to other options. At number 3, we have the Tub Shroom Tub Hair Catcher Protector. Take a preemptive strike at hair clogs by preventing them before they even happen with this hair clog stopper. The Tub Shroom makes for an easy fit for most standard drains, but be aware the drain needs to be 1.5 inches in diameter. If you want a hair clog solution for another size drain in your home, there's also the Sink Shroom, the Shower Shroom, and the Stop Shroom. The Tub Shroom, much like the other shroom models, is shaped like a mushroom but has holes in it that pick up and trap hair that would otherwise go down your drain. After you place the model in your drain, you can easily pull it out once it's full with a napkin or paper towel. At number 2, we have the Vastar 4-pack 19.6-inch Drain Snake Hair Drain Clog Remover Cleanina Tool. Vastar's set of snakes have a barbed wire-like design, making it more efficient for capturing hair clogging your drain. All 3 of the snakes are plastic and lightweight, so they're simple to move around once you place them down a drain. If you don't want to rely on liquid, you can shake, twist, then pull out this snake to take care of that clog. The snakes come in 2 lengths, 19.6 inches and 23.6 inches, and if you suspect the clog is deeper in your sink, the company also sells a 25-inch pack. You can use these snakes multiple times, unlike liquid options. And finally, at number 1, we have the Drano Gel Drain Clog Remover. Drano is known for its liquid solutions to clogs, whether they be in your bathroom or in your kitchen. But in case one flush of liquid doesn't do the trick for your hair clog, this combo pack includes a 23-inch snake that can grab hair. In order to use the pack correctly, you'll use the snake first to pull out any large hair clump with the snake's various hooks. After, pour the Drano down the sink or bath to eliminate any additional grime buildups.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.